If your kitchen knives feel more like butter knives than actual blades, and you're constantly struggling to cut even basic vegetables, you're not alone. Most people don't realize how dull knives slow down cooking until it becomes frustrating every single day. That's exactly where the Kitchellence 4-in-1 kitchen knife sharpener comes in. This is designed for home cooks who want a simple, safe way to bring their knives back to life without learning complicated sharpening techniques. It's not trying to turn you into a professional chef. It's trying to make everyday cooking faster, easier, and honestly, a lot less annoying. Right away, the design feels straightforward and approachable. It's compact, lightweight, and doesn't take up much counter space, which is important if your kitchen is already crowded. The body is made from sturdy ABS plastic, and while it's not premium metal or anything flashy, it feels solid enough to handle regular use without worrying about it falling apart. The handle is comfortable to grip, whether you're right-handed or left-handed, and the non-slip base actually does its job, keeping everything stable while you sharpen. What stands out most is the 3-slot sharpening system. Instead of confusing you with complicated tools, it breaks the process down into simple steps. The first slot helps repair and straighten damaged blades. The second sharpens the edge, and the third smooths and polishes it. In real-world use, this makes a big difference because you're not guessing what to do, you just follow the sequence and it works. Using it feels surprisingly easy. You just place the knife in each slot and pull it through a few times. There's no complicated angle control, no soaking stones, and no learning curve that takes hours. For someone who's never sharpened a knife before, this is about as beginner-friendly as it gets. And for people who already know sharpening basics, it's a quick maintenance tool that saves time. Performance-wise, this is where it really delivers for everyday users. After just a few passes, dull knives noticeably improve. You're not going to get that ultra-precise, razor-edge finish you'd get from professional sharpening stones. But for daily cooking, chopping vegetables, slicing meat, prepping meals, it's more than enough. The difference is immediate and practical. Cutting becomes smoother, faster, and safer because you're not forcing the blade through food anymore. Another thoughtful addition is the cut-resistant glove included in the box. It might seem like a small extra, but it actually makes a difference, especially if you're new to sharpening. It adds a layer of confidence and safety that a lot of similar products don't include. Combined with the stable base, it makes the whole process feel controlled rather than risky. When it comes to maintenance, there's really not much to worry about. You don't need to clean it extensively. Just keep it dry and occasionally wipe it down. It's designed to be low effort, which fits well into a busy routine where you don't want another high-maintenance kitchen tool. That said, it's not perfect. If you're someone who owns high-end, professional-grade knives, this might feel a bit basic. It's designed for convenience, not precision sharpening at a professional level. Also, while it works well for standard kitchen knives, it's not ideal for specialty blades like serrated knives or very delicate Japanese knives. And over time, like most pull-through sharpeners, it can remove more material than necessary if overused. Compared to other knife sharpeners in this price range, this one stands out mainly for its ease of use and the included safety glove. Some competitors offer similar sharpening performance, but they often skip safety features or feel less stable during use. On the other hand, higher-end sharpening systems give you more control and better results, but they require more time, skill, and effort. This sits right in the middle. It prioritizes simplicity and convenience over perfection. So who is this really for? If you're a home cook who just wants sharp knives without the hassle, this makes a lot of sense. If you enjoy precision sharpening or own expensive blades, you might want something more advanced. But for most kitchens, this solves a very real, very common problem. At the end of the day, the Kitchellence sharpener isn't about mastering knife skills. It's about making everyday cooking smoother and less frustrating. And for that, it does its job well. If you found this review helpful, you can like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or grab one for your kitchen.